Hey guys, it's Alyssa with WTI, and if you have carpets, you probably have carpet stains. This BISSELL ProHeat has helped to eliminate ours. If you have light colored carpets, you know every stain shows up, so I have been using this a lot. Our entryway also accumulates a lot of stains, so I love that this ProHeat is so easy to use. I can pull it out whenever I need a nice carpet refresh. And you can see that it really does get up a whole lot of grime. I can't believe all of that was in our carpet. If you have smaller areas that need to be cleaned, like here up against the cabinet, the attachments are really easy to use. And honestly, I didn't have much hope for this stain because this is coffee that was left for a couple of days and dried. But as you can see, we were able to get it up with this BISSELL. So I'm super impressed. So if you're looking to get your carpets nice and clean without a big bulky machine, you are going to love this ProHeat from BISSELL. And that's my point of view.